This is a para-completion question. In the given paragraph, the author says that it would be foolish to judge on the basis of appearances, especially in the case of astronomy. The author goes on to talk about a particular theory about Earth, and on the basis of theory, questions that were asked by people. The author goes on to say that fantastic myths sprang from the vain attempts to solve these riddles, that is, to solve the questions that were asked by people which doubted certain theories. Let us look at the options. Later on, glimmerings of the true light began to break in upon men. This option is not in line with the last line of the paragraph, and hence we cannot say that this is the correct answer. Let us look at the other options. Option B. The Greek philosophers who busied themselves much with such matters gradually became convinced that the earth was spherical in shape. This sentence is in line with the paragraph but is not in line with the last line of the paragraph, and hence it cannot follow the last line of the paragraph. So option B will also be incorrect. Option C. The Hindus, for example, imagine the earth as supported by 4 elephants which stood upon the back of a gigantic tortoise, which in its turn floated on the surface of an elemental ocean. This option is definitely an example of a fantastic myth and can come after the last line of the paragraph. Option D. One such myth was the Ptolemaic system, according to which the earth occupied the center while around it circled in order outwards the moon, the planets Mercury and Venus, the sun, and then the planets Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. In this option, this is again a myth, but there is nothing fantastic about it. That is, there is no fantasy involved in this myth, as it is at least partly based on some scientific thought. So amongst options C and D, C is a better fit, and hence option C is the correct answer to this question.